I have a JBL Flip 5. Let's open it up and then we'll talk about it. In the box, we have the instructions, the charging cable, a lightweight carrying case, and the speaker itself. This speaker comes with 12 hours of playtime. It has 11 vibrant colors. You're able to pair multiple speakers for a party boost. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. The power button is located right here. That will be the power indicator. Wow. It's looking to pair. And we have success. Let's turn it up. Oh, you can see the bass again. Ooh. This speaker sounds amazing, and I love the bass that you can literally see coming from this speaker. This is also waterproof, so that's another awesome feature that it has. It looks great, easy to use, comes with a carrying loop, so it's easy to be transported indoor, outdoor, in your suitcase, wherever you want to take it. We absolutely love it.